Hello everyone. Today I'll be talking about why you shouldn't use olive oil in Indian cooking. Starting off with the origination of olives, they were originated from Greece and then they got spread throughout the Mediterranean region. Olive oil is produced by grinding the olives by chemical and mechanical methods. There are a lot of olive oil brands available in the market, that too with different variants. Now this can often be confusing for us as consumers. So let me brief you about what are the types of olive oils and the different variants. Olive oil is generally graded according to the purity and the pressing factors. So there are 4 gradations of olive oil and all of these have different nutritional profile. First up is the extra virgin olive oil. Now this one is the highest grade of oil with it being unrefined. Apart from that, it has a very low acidity level, even less than 1%. This extra virgin olive oil is only used in salad dressings. Second up is the virgin olive oil. Now this olive oil is also unrefined but slightly less graded than extra virgin olive oil, and the acidity level is a bit more as compared to extra virgin olive oil. Now this has a milder taste and it is used for sauteing vegetables mainly and for seasonings in salads. Third is pure olive oil. This olive oil is produced by further pressing the olives that were used for extracting extra virgin olive oil. This is also known as cold pressed olive oil and is usually used for shallow frying or sauteing vegetables. Fourth is the refined olive oil. As the name suggests, it is highly refined and has slightly more acidity level as compared to extra virgin olive oil. Now this olive oil is used for shallow frying, sauteing and in bakery items. Now that you know all the gradations of olive oil and which one is used for what, I will tell you why you shouldn't use olive oil for Indian cooking. All types of oils have their own smoking point. Smoking point is nothing but the temperature at which the oil starts burning. It is also known as burning temperature. Pastas, Italian salad dressings and pesto sauce preparations do not need high cooking temperatures. If you switch olive oil with seed oil or vegetable oil, the smoking point of olive oil is achieved much faster. This saturates the oil. Now what is saturation of oil? Saturation is nothing but the breakage of chemical bonds. As olive oil has low smoking point, the chemical bonds start breaking even at a very low temperature, say for if you are heating the oil. If you consume this saturated oil, it can produce oxidative stress in your body, which can further lead to cardiovascular diseases like high blood pressure and blockage of arteries. And hence, do not use olive oil for Indian preparations. Of course, you can use it for Italian delicacies like pasta sauces, pasta salads, salad dressings, baking focaccia bread. You have number of options out there. So yeah, that was it for today. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel for getting food and nutrition related information. Bye.